Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and today is another collab video. I am doing a collab with Shannon Carroll. This is our very first time doing a collab together, and we are going to be using this Nomad Cartagena Magica. Hopefully I said that right. This is a beautiful palette, and I have used it one time before in a collab. Shannon reached out to me and asked me if we could do a collab with this palette, and of course I said yes. I will have Shannon's video linked down below. She does makeup, skincare, beauty, unboxings, Mask Mondays. She is an amazing person, absolutely gorgeous, and I am so happy to be doing a collab with her. We're doing a bingo, kind of, sorta. I picked her colors and she picked mine, and I will put a picture up here of the colors that she chose for me. Hopefully they'll go with this colorful shirt. I thought I needed a colorful shirt to go with this colorful look. So let's get right on into it. I'm going to start out here, and this is, I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and that is 100 años, which means 100 years. I'm just going to take that on a big fluffy brush and use that as my transition shade. What have I got going on right there? I hope everyone had a fantastic Halloween. We were exceptionally busy at work. Halloween is one of our biggest holidays. We close off all of the, well, not all of the camping areas, but one section of the roads in one of the RV camping areas so that the kids can walk around and trick or treat, and the owners love it. We're a private resort, so you have to be an owner to come onto the resort, and they love to decorate and dress up for Halloween. It is a very, very big to-do at the resort. So we were crazy, crazy busy all weekend. I hope that all of y'all did something fun for Halloween. I love to dress up for Halloween as well. I did do my makeup for work. I posted a picture of what I did on Instagram. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen that. Next, I'm going to go here into La Diosa Coronada, which means the crowned goddess. And I think I'm going to use a little bit smaller brush, my trusty Luxie 231, and put that in my outer corner and in my crease. This is a very pretty fall color. I had already primed my eyes. I didn't say that at the beginning of the video, but I did prime my eyes and set them, and I will show you at the end of the video what I used. I am really enjoying that. It's I think it's a lip, cheek, and eye color from HAUS Labs, Lady Gaga, and I've been using it to prime my eyes, and I really do like it. It just reminds me of using a concealer. I'm also going to run that right up under my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going into this shade, which is Eres el Mundo, which means you are the world. And I'm going to take that on a flat brush, and I'm going to spray it and put that in the center of my lid. Oh, look how pretty that is. These shades are definitely giving me fall vibes. I do wish that outer corner was just a little bit darker, though. I may try to go back into that and See if I can intensify that a little bit. And now I'm going here into Perseguir Sueños, which means chasing dreams. And I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm going to spray that as well. And put that in my inner corner. Or should I say inner lid. That is very bright, isn't it? Very bright. Let me go back into La Diosa Coronada. Coronada, yes. And see if I can't darken up this outer corner. There we go, that's a little bit better. And then I'm just going to blend that edge a little bit. And my last shade is this shade here, and it is Más Intensa, which means more intense. And I am going to put that on my lower lash, not all the way to the outer corner, but starting about middle way inward. That's really pretty too, actually. I'm liking that on my lower lash. I'm surprised. I'm going to spray that just to see. If I can get it just a little bit more intense. A little bit más intensa. That definitely got it más intensa, and I got it on my contact. Let's see. That shade is really soft. What that will look like in my inner corner. Just for kicks and giggles, because we can. Do you know why we can? Because we can do anything we want to. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that Más Intensa shade, so I'm going to take some of that and put it right here on the top of that La Diosa Coronada shade, just to tie the top and the bottom together. There we go, because you just don't know until you try different things. Just try things sometimes just to see how they look, because it's just makeup. And if you don't like it, you can wash it off and start over. And I'm just using a really soft brush just to get a very soft blend of that shade up there. I don't want it super intense. I don't want it más intense. I just want a nice soft hint of that pink up there. There we go, that looks better. I like that. And as you know, everything always looks better once you do lashes and liner, so let me do that and I'll be right back. And so here's the final look. I used this new lipstick that I got from Sephora. This is Hourglass, and this is in the shade You Inspire. Such a pretty color, very creamy, and I love this component that it's in. The bottom of it, this part, is very heavy. It's very nice, and this is interchangeable. You just take that out and replace it with another color. The little kit came with 2 colors, and I think it was on sale for like $18. If it's still on sale, I'll link it down in the description in case you're interested. I also used this HAUS Labs High Power Pigment Paint. This is Beige Matte, and I'm pretty sure that this was eye, lip, and cheek, but that's what I have been using for my eye primer, and I really do like it. The other day when I did my look for Halloween for work, I was at work for 12 hours and my makeup looked the same when I got home as it did when I left to go to work. I used my Laura Geller highlighter that has a little bit of pink in it to go with my eye. I love this. It's Diamond Dust, the Baked Gelato Swirl in Diamond Dust. Love that. And these are the shades that I use from the Nomad Cartagena Magica Palette. It's a beautiful palette, and who knew that I would create such a beautiful fall look. Very pretty. I really do like it. I used my ColourPop Act Natural Black Mascara, and I have Kosas on my brows and my normal NYX Powder Foundation and Marc Jacobs for my bronzer, and I think I used the IBY or IBI, the little blush that I got in one of my boxes. So make sure you go down in the description box and click on Shannon's link so that you can go see what kind of look she created with the shadows that I picked for her. And while you're there, check out some of her other videos, and if you like her vibe, then you can subscribe to her channel. She is a very upbeat, positive person. She's always happy and cheerful. She's amazing. Thank you, Shannon, once again for asking me to collab with you, and thank you so much for being patient with me. She knows what I'm talking about. Y'all don't need to know. Before you go check out Shannon's video, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. It washes off. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to get you one of these Hourglass lipstick thingies. Look, it's got a point on it. And it's metal. So like if your fishing line gets tangled up, or you need to poke a hole in the ground to put your fishing pole in, you know, you have a tool to do that, and you can make your lips look pretty all at the same time. Okay? Link will be in the description box, boo. Mama loves you, boo.